Welcome to the Seniorverse platform. When you first log in, you'll land at the center's dashboard, a display of all the centers you have access to. Each center represented in a center's card with each of its modules listed. These modules can include care, outreach, report, and center settings. Today we'll focus on operational features. Let's jump into the care module and select the Members tab. Here you'll see a list of your current members. You can add new members at the top right. You can search for existing members and jump into their member profile. In the member profile, you can edit basic information, set their demographics, upload important documents, list out their contacts, and much more. For operational features, we can jump into benefits to set their schedule. For example, here we have the Medicaid type. These types are configurable at a center's level. You can set the start and end date for that specific type. You can set the days of the week that the member plans to attend. If there's any limit requirements, you can set that for proper coverage. Once you have those configured, you can jump over to transportation to set how the member plans to arrive and depart the center. Those can include center vehicles, family drivers, or third-party services. Once you have these configured for each of the members, you can start taking daily attendance. Jumping over to the Attendance tab. The Attendance tab displays all the members scheduled for the selected day based on their individual benefits. You can quickly scroll through the list and check members in, or search for a specific member and check them in that way. Notice that the benefit and the transportation are automatically applied based off of the individual schedule. For unscheduled members needing today's service, navigate over to the Add Members button and click on the members to add. Once they've been added, you need to define the benefit manually because they're not scheduled for that day. Once the members are ready to depart, you can click on the checkout icon to check them out. Jumping over to meals, where you can track individual consumption as well as centers served, brought home meal or declined meal. Jumping over to activities, where you can add new activities as well as add member participation to existing activities. Lastly, the planner, which is a monthly calendar for the center to organize, plan, and schedule those activities. With Seniorverse's operational features, you can efficiently manage member benefits, track attendance, monitor meals, and plan activities.